Hello, good day. Today, we will replace our fuel oil supply pump bearing as it is having an abnormal noise. So before doing the job, let us make a lockout and tag out. This is for our safety. And before dismantling the electric motor, I already put the bearings to the cylinder head to heat the bearings. Heating is important so that we can insert the bearings smoothly. Take pictures with the wirings so that it could not be interchanged when installing back. And now let us proceed to pull out this electric motor coupling. And after the cover was removed, I can see there is a grease on the bearing housing. Please do not put a grease on the bearing housing. This will cause a damage to the bearing, especially to the housing. Before installing the bearing, put a little Vaseline to the shaft. This will help inserting the bearing smoothly. And now the heated bearing is ready to insert. And as we can see here, it is very smooth. Avoid also hammering the bearing. And now we are installing back this electric motor and we will install back the wirings. Wirings must not be interchanged as the rotation of the electric motor will also reverse. And here is the step to align the coupling to the pump and the electric motor. I am using an L square and a flashlight. As we can see here, there is no signs of light passing through the L square and the coupling. This means a good alignment. We'll do at the top and we will do also at the side. And after the alignment, we will do the insulation testing. This is to ensure that the windings of the electric motor still in good condition. Then we will check first the insulation meter if it is working. We will connect first to the ground and test also to the ground. After testing, now we can measure the resistance from ground to the windings. Now we can ensure that windings are still in good condition.